How to grow long hair with egg. Are you trying to grow your hair? In this video, I will be revealing to you how to grow long hair with egg in just one day. Make sure you watch till the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. You have either just gotten the worst haircut of your life, or you're just impatiently waiting for longer hair. Luckily for you, I will be telling you all the secrets of how to grow hair in just one day. Now first, is it truly possible to grow hair in the course of just one day? Yes. It is possible, but you won't see a dramatic difference within your hair as if it's grown 4 inches long. However, it is possible to grow hair faster, or in other words, speeding the growth of your hair. You also need to first understand that everyone's hair is different. Some people grow hair faster than others, and some feel like their hair isn't growing at all, so it is important to keep in mind that everyone's hair reacts differently. Also, what does it mean to have hair grow faster? To grow faster in the span of one day, or to generally grow faster within the span of a week? I will be revealing to you how to grow hair in one day and how to speed the growth of your hair in 1 week, since this hair mask will grow your hair in one day while also helping to boost your general hair growth. This DIY hair mask is one of the strongest growth boosters because all the ingredients are primarily focused on hair growth. Ingredients you will need for the process. First, let me first go over the many benefits in each of the products involved in this hair mask. 1 teaspoon of raw honey or regular honey. Raw honey is purer and strong. Honey helps to hydrate hair along with strengthening the hair follicles, which encourage a healthy scalp and natural growth. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut is one of the strongest oils to stimulate hair growth. It also fights against lice and dandruff while also helping to prevent split ends and breakage. 2 eggs. Eggs are very high in protein, and since our hair is partly made of protein, it will give our hair a strong boost in growth. 4 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil or regular olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil would be stronger. Olive oil serves as a great addition to any hair mask for its many benefits of getting rid of dandruff while also giving natural moisture to the hair. Olive oil also contains properties that promote strong hair growth. Instructions on how to use the ingredients. Before anything, take 1 teaspoon of raw honey or regular along with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into a bowl. Warm the ingredients in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Becomes easier to mix when melted. After the honey and coconut have melted together, take another bowl and crack 2 eggs. Apply 4 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Pour the melted honey plus coconut oil into the bowl with the eggs and olive oil. Whisk all the ingredients together to create one of the best hair growth masks. Application instructions on how to apply the ingredient. Start by generally taking the formula and massaging it into your scalp. Then part your hair into sections to ensure you apply the mask everywhere. Apply the mask to the ends of your hair for moisture and repair. Secure your hair into a bun. Put on a plastic bag over your hair to allow the mask to seep into your scalp. Wait 1 hour before rinsing it off in the shower. Continue with your normal shower routine afterwards. When getting the hair mask out of your hair, spend 5 minutes rinsing the mask off with water. Important caution: when rinsing the mask off with water, set water to cold or lukewarm. If water is too hot, it will cook the egg. Afterwards, you can continue with shampoo and conditioner. You may skip conditioner since this mask is also very hydrating. If you are trying to focus on growing your hair for a month, try this mask once a week. This mask will help grow your hair in 1 day, and will help to generally boost your natural hair growth in 1 week after just 1 mask. Like I said, you have to always understand that everyone's hair is different. Some will grow hair faster within a day while others grow hair faster within a week. It is important to have patience, and to keep in mind that everyone's hair will react differently. How many times can I use egg for hair in 1 month? Depending on what your goal is, and which parts of the egg you're using, an egg mask can be worn anywhere from every 2 weeks to once a month. According to an article in Woman's Day, an egg mask that contains the whole egg, or the yolk only, can be used once a month, where treatments with just the egg whites can be used every 2 weeks. What is good for hair, egg whites or egg yolks? Both egg whites and egg yolks are effective hair treatments, but as a whole, egg whites are more nutritious for tresses. That said, the whites of the egg yield different results than egg yolks, so it's important to take your hair type into consideration, as well as what you're hoping to accomplish with your treatment. If you have oily hair, an egg white mask is best, as it can help control oil production and degrease your scalp. Additionally, egg whites are believed to aid in hair growth, due to the minerals they contain, which include magnesium, sodium, and potassium. If your hair is dry or damaged from color treating, the fatty egg yolk makes for a super effective conditioning treatment, and can also assist in strengthening. And for people with normal or combination hair, the entire egg can be used in order to reap the benefits of both the yolk and the white. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and click the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.